How to add captions in CapCut. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how you can add captions on your videos using CapCut. CapCut has this feature where you can auto-transcribe what you're saying in the video and you don't have to type in individual sentences in the entire video, so it's quite handy. Let's see how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your app is up to date. So just quickly visit your store and make sure that your CapCut is up to date. After that, just open the app. Now I'm just going to add a recent video that I just made, so that has an audio, so I could create a caption from that. Alright, so here is a recent video that I just made. So here it has
How does Instagram order your story viewer?
So it has this audio. Let's see how you can add the caption. So first thing you want to do is tap on this text icon right here. Tap on it, and then you have different options here you can choose from. So the first one is you can add your text manually, add stickers, and then there is auto captions. You want to tap on it and it will generate your auto caption. So here you just tap on generate and it will take a while, but it will start generating your captions. And once it's done, you'll see right here. Alright, so as you guys can see here, you see this auto-generated captions. So just tap on edit captions and here you will see all of the captions in the entire video, and it also gives you the timeline. So it's quite handy and you can edit it from here. You can choose your captions, play around with it, change its style and make it look more attractive, change its positioning. You can just do a whole lot of stuff with this. It's quite useful. So yeah, that's how you add captions using CapCut. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.